Yo, fellas, what up? Well, ladies and gentlemen, what up? Hey, I just want, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't get to show y'all a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, out here in the field when I be trucking or whatever. I'm at this stop in Arkansas, right? And, I mean, it's like a little warehouse building or whatever. It's a nice little, it's a nice size building, I'm gonna show you. Look at my mirror. It's a nice size building, right? Look at the mirror right there. They go all the way over there. It's a nice size building. They got boats and all kind of stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? They even got a C10 and a Jeep sitting over there, cause that's where they came from when I pulled up. So my GPS is telling me like, okay, you turn in, you know what I'm saying, such miles or whatever, point something miles, and then it got down the feet, right? I'm riding, but I'm slowing down. I'm like, I don't see no street. This the street I had to turn on, y'all. Look, that's the street. Not that right there. This right here is where I had turned it. I got a 53-foot trailer. And this is where I gotta turn it. I had to turn it, and I had to pull down there, and then blindside into where I am, which there was no problem. I did it all the time. But this was my driveway. The guy told me, he said, turn in the first driveway. This was the first driveway. Yeah. So now I gotta go back out of that with a 53-foot trailer. I'm glad that ditch ain't deep, cause yeah, this truck would have folded over in that. Yeah, no doubt about it. Yo, what's happening, man? Back up here with another one of them things, man. Y'all know what to do. I ain't even got to tell you, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy today, man. I'm happy because I'm about to go and pick up some more merch. Man, I'm finna go make a pickup today, man. I'm finally finna do this. I've been saying I was gonna do it for the longest, man, because I know I need it. I know, you know what I'm saying, it'll keep me a little bit safer, man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go and make this pickup. Take y'all with me, man, so y'all can see what it is. I'm running across this traffic right now, though. Take y'all with me so y'all can see what it is, man. And then I'm finna go and get the Duty Meister, man. But yeah, man. So overall, it's been a good day, man. You know what I'm saying? Can't even complain. How y'all day going? I'm sure y'all day pretty good. But yeah, man, we in traffic. Like I said, I'm gonna go pick this merch up. Pick this merch up for my dog T-shirt God, man. Y'all tap in with my dog T-shirt God, man. And man, tap in with the store, man. BelowNationLLC.com, man. Tap in with the store, man. Go buy you something, man. I'm about to update the site. Man, and put some of these good fall items on there, man. Let's see, put it over here. I'm gonna put some of them good fall items on there, man, so I can so we can get ready for fall, man. So that's gonna be in the next couple weeks, man. I'm gonna be putting the fall items up. Skull caps, things of that nature. Might go ahead and throw the snapbacks on there too. You know what I'm saying? Gonna throw the snapbacks on there. Get it all nice and pretty looking. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. That being said, man, let me get on in traffic. Go pick this merch up, man. I will get behind the 18-wheeler. I think the last time I was vlogging, I told y'all, man, like every time I get on this street, like the speed limit already ain't but 30. I always get behind somebody that's driving 15. Last time I think I got behind a big truck. Like, bro, like, man, I'm just trying to get to where I'm going, man. Crazy. In a timely manner. But anyway, y'all ain't come over here to hear me crying about traffic stuff. So yeah, let me get on to my destination. I hit y'all bike. I just picked up the merch in that old box back there, man. Now I'm finna go and pick up the duty man. Let me see what time it is. 5:17. Yeah, I got plenty of time. So I'll hop on this slab, go do my thing. What's up? Yo, we back, man. Got duty too. Wait. So what's up?
What's up?
Got duty do, man. So we about to give me a hand. Give me a hand.
What's up, duty?
So we about to go in Best Buy, man. We got a pickup, man. Hopefully what I need is here. If not, hold on. If not, then I might have to order it because I'm probably not going to another Best Buy. But yeah, y'all seen Best Buy, folks. Let y'all see what's going on here. Come on. What? It's a who? The moon? You see the moon? Huh? Come on, let's find what we need. Yeah, let's find what we need so we can get out of here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. You got a ticket? Whoa, that was cool. Yeah, man. So y'all see what's going on, man. I had to grab the B450s, man. You know what I'm saying? Like my dog 07 Chevy boy, man. I had to go and get this headset cause mine, y'all know what I'm saying? When I be in the truck, I be, man, holding my phone up to my ear. Y'all do know that's I think that's $1,000 fine, I think. Might be $1,500 now, I think. I know, but they charge the company $10,000 if you get pulled over in a big truck with your phone to your ear. And man, I just be having my phone to my ear, man, like it's okay. So, yeah. What I'm gonna do is, what I had to do was I had to go and get me one, man. Plus, like I feel like on my phone now, like when I be talking on the phone in the truck, I'm talking. When I hey, hush. When I be in the truck now, it seems like I can't hardly hear. You know what I'm saying? Like the sound of the truck is overtaking the speaker on my phone or something. Like, I don't know. So I had to go ahead, man. I had to go ahead and grab that, man, cause yeah, I needed it. Man, look at that. I need that too. Need that RAM, man. I need it. Man, I'll be so glad, man, when I bring that RAM to the channel, man. Y'all gonna be like, ooh, my dog B-Lo done snap. Like, yeah, man, I need that junk. They're for real, y'all. But yeah, I'm off subject. But what's this? Red Pier Cajun Seafood. Oh, okay, it's a new restaurant now. Yeah, man. I had to do something, man, because I couldn't hardly hear. So, you know what I'm saying? And folks probably couldn't hear me either. Probably. So, yeah. I looked up because that was the last one. They had the 450 and they had the 350. And I looked up, man. He was like, well, let me look to see if we got it. Because he was trying to send me to the truck stop, which I was like, yeah, I know I can go and get it from there, but I wasn't really trying to go to no truck stop. Huh? Huh? Yeah, I guess. So,
Daddy.
yeah.
Daddy.
So, man, I'm finna shoot on to the house, man. Put the thing on the charger. And, man, finna start using our new headset, y'all. Man, we got a headset. Now I'm gonna be looking like a damn telemarketer. But it's alright. I'm safe. Yeah, man, I'm on the vlog, man. I'm on the phone with my dog Memphis Black, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see I'm on the phone. With my new headset, man, you know what I'm saying? I had to put my headset on looking like a telemarketer in this junk. Yeah, I'll drop it early in the morning. Yeah, man, y'all go over there and subscribe to my dog Memphis Black, man. He monetized now, man. So don't y'all start hating and don't want to watch the videos and be trying to skip the main ads. No, go on over there, subscribe, watch the ads, man, so the man can get a little money, man. Damn, let that man get his money. Let me get my money. Watch this video and don't skip no ads so you can see how to watch this video and don't skip no ads. What? The M's. Night. It's too late. It ain't no now. Oh yeah. Alright, man, look. I can imagine. Hey man, don't make it. I can imagine. Like, folks be saying crazy stuff like, man, yeah, man, I ain't gonna watch your video and watch no ads. You think I'm gonna help you get some money? Like, what? You watch the commercials on TV? But cause I'm a YouTuber, you don't wanna watch my ads. That's crazy. But yeah, y'all, man, I was letting y'all see this junk, man. This headset got me on this junk looking like a super telemarketer, man. I'm gonna start working from home on this junk. But yeah, man, I got this up. Yeah, I went and got me one of them junk. There it is, man, the B450 XT, man. Noise canceling headset with outstanding comfort. Blue Parrot, man. Yeah, man, I had to go ahead and get me one because I was dangerous out here. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're fine. They was gonna catch me sooner or later in that truck with my phone held up to my head. They found, I think they found like what, 1,500? Then they found the company like 10,000. Last I checked. But I ain't even want no ticket, so I just went ahead and bought me one. But yeah, man, I'm finna get out of here, man. Oh yeah, man, I'm finna get out of here, y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Holler at my dog. I'll hit y'all in a minute, man.